Welcome back for Tip Tuesday. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and this week we're going to talk about organizing your task using buckets. The buckets in Planner are the vertical lanes that allow you to organize your content. In our example, the buckets are going to follow the process that we use when we're recruiting and interviewing candidates. However, you can organize your buckets for whatever makes sense for you. Let's look at some of the other plans that we have in our Planner Hub. The Market Project Plan has buckets for the different groups that are working on that plan. So they have engineering, manufacturing, and then launch. Under logistics, this looks like it's an event that they're planning, and we've got Patty's travel, press interviews, and location. Let's look at the product launch event. In this plan, the buckets are grouped by the status of the task: at risk, on track, blocked, or just the standard to-do bucket. Let's go back and build out our buckets for the retail candidates. Again, this is going to follow the process that we use when we're screening and interviewing candidates for positions that are open. The default bucket that's created is called the to-do bucket. In our case, these are our applicants. Let's change the name. And now we're going to add new buckets for each stage of the process. Resume review, first interview, and second interview. They also have to pass a background check. The nice thing about the buckets is you really don't have to worry about what order you create them in because you can resort them. Before we actually review their resume, we're going to do an initial screening. This should actually be the second bucket, so I'm just going to drag it back where it belongs. If you click the little More Options button on any bucket, you can see where you can rename it, delete it, move it right, or move it left. That's my tip for today. Use your buckets to organize your content based on your process or your status, your work stream, your work group, whatever makes sense for you. Next week, we're going to talk about how to add attachments to your tasks. Make sure you check out our great events that we have coming up. Until we see each other again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.